नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects, and I bless you all on this auspicious Deepavali occasion. आज दिवाली के शुभ अवसर पर मैं सभी दर्शकों को आशीर्वाद देता हूँ. இந்த இனிய தீபாவளி திருநாளில் உங்கள் அனைவரையும் ஆசீர்வதிப்பதில் பெருமகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us all over the world at this moment through Nityananda TV, Lotus TV, Janashri channel, Ishwar TV and Sadhana TV, and two-way video conferencing in 37 places, having Nayanadiksha in 23 countries around the world as per the statistics. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing: Kuala Lumpur, Palani; Hyderabad, Bhagyanagaram; Los Angeles, Arunachalam; Ohio, Prayag; Toronto, Kailasam; San Jose, Madurai; Oklahoma, Somanatham; Vancouver, Bhubaneswar; Houston, Kalahasti; Seattle, Chidambaram; Enriching Temple, Bidadi; New Zealand, Adi Arunachalam; Singapore, Singapuram; Nityanandeshwara Hindu Temple, Charlotte; Adi Nityananda Dhyanapidam, Avattipalayam; Bengaluru North; Pidadishwari's Training Center, Salem; Hungary, Achka; Tallahassee, Florida; Melbourne, Australia; Oman, Sivagangai; Olympia, Washington; Toronto, Downtown; Tiruvanmiyur, Dhyanapidam; Indrani, New Jersey; Bangalore, Marattahalli; Paris, Kalighat; London, Kashi; Joburg, South Africa; Saudi Arabia; Dubai, Vaidyanatham; San Diego, Tirualavai; Bogota, Colombia; Port Washington, New York; East London, UK; Hyderabad, Gupta Kashi; Charlotte, Sri Salem; Atlanta, Ujjaini; New York, Varanasi; St. Louis, Tirumala; Devon, UK. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ఈరోజు దీపావళి శుభ సందర్భములో మీ అందరికీ నా ఆశీర్వాదములు. On this auspicious occasion of Deepavali, various ashrams, centers are offering many Naivedyams. Bidadi is offering the Naivedyams to Nityanandeshwara, Nityanandeshwari and Ganesha and Subramanya. Each city, Tiruvanmiyur is offering 13 Naivedyams on the Diwali. Diwali is the day of Annakuta, where you cook large number of items in large quantity, offer it to the Ishta Devata and share it with the world, enriching the world with a sweet. So, today is the Annakuta. Oklahoma is offering 80 Naivedyams as Annakuta. Atlanta is offering 11 Naivedyams as Annakuta. Malaysia Nityananda Hindu Sangam is offering 33 Naivedyams as Annakuta. Biddi is offering 108 Naivedyams to Mahadeva as Annakuta. Kanchipuram Nityananda Dhyanapidam is offering 21 Naivedyams as Annakuta. And Varanasi, today in Varanasi, the Annapurani will be offered a huge chariot made out of laddus. That is the Annakuta offered to Annapurani. It's a tradition. On this day, we make sweets and offer it to the deity and share it with the world, enrich the world. This is the tradition from Varanasi. So, today I request all our ashrams, centers, branches, make as much as possible, offer it to the deities and share with everyone, enrich everyone with Annakuta. Salem Pitadishwari's training center is offering the Annakuta, and today they are starting Bala Vidyalaya with 40 students already. For 40 students are in Salem ashram already, and today in Rasipuram Bala Vidyalaya is inaugurated for 295 students. In Rasipuram Shakti Matriculation School, 320 students are getting initiated into Bala Vidyalaya. In Rasipuram, two schools, Siva Nursery Primary School and Shakti Matriculation School. My blessings to both the schools. Today is the very auspicious day for our whole Sangha, because today is the day I was reborn on 2000, same Diwali day, the rebirth has happened. I had many extraordinary spiritual experiences, but realization of my incarnationhood, who I am, the original state, that realization completely disconnected me from the world. Around 9 months, I was completely away from this body and mind, even though this body and mind was taken care by Kalabhairava. Kalabhairava was handling it. It was at least doing the activities to keep itself alive, like breathing, eating rarely once in a while. Body was doing those basic actions. But there was no sleep or 1, 2, 3. Body was doing minimal activities to keep itself alive. But I was completely out. So after 9 months, see, the last moment I remember was 2000 January 1st till evening. After that, I can recollect is only the 2000 Diwali, almost 9 months after. Only on the Diwali day, 9 or 10 months. On the Diwali day evening, between 4:30 to 6, I saw very clearly as a motherly, healing, compassionate, loving, Kali energy landed into the body, and the first word came out in Tamil language, Anandamaga irungal. After almost 9 to 10 months gap, that was the first word, just like a cracker, explosion, it came out. After that, a few words have started getting formed, then few sounds, then the coherent expression of words started happening. I think by next April, means 2001 April, the free coherent speech has started. So Diwali is the auspicious day Mother Kali gave rebirth to this body, and this is the day the world was blessed with that beautiful blessing, be blissful. Even now, I always see, if that word comes out as a blessing, that's it. Whatever the person is asking, such a strong space is created as a blessing for that person, and I can say it's a real tathastu. It happened. I was nearing Arunachala. So I was staying in a place near Kanchipuram. I was able to move my hands and legs little coherently. So the body was going in a bus, the public transport, to Arunachala. Please understand, all this without any words inside. Just the vague memory only I have. Kalbhairava was moving the body. Maybe the eyes saw Arunachala from the distance in the bus. Bus has entered the Arunachala's energy field. I saw after 5 to 6 minutes, suddenly that Kali's energy landed in the body and the word came out. I can say that is the rebirth. That is the rebirth. So we celebrate Diwali as a day of blessing. Blessing the whole world. Blessing the whole universe. Today is the blessing day. Go round, enrich the world with the sweets and bless everyone. Radiate blessings. Today, Mahadeva is gracing us in a Leela. Varagunavandiyanukku Sivalogam kattiyadu. I'll translate. Once a great king of Pandya kingdom, Varaguna Pandyan. He was deeply devoted to Mahadeva, and he prays to Mahadeva to show the Kailash. I think in those days, physically going to the Kailash might have been really difficult. He asked Mahadeva to show Kailasa. So Sundareshwara appears immediately with Devi, and Ganesha and Subramanya shows Kailasa to Varaguna Pandya, and today he is showing Kailasa to all of us. आज हमारे संघ के लिए एक बहुत विशेष दिवस है। आज ही के दिन मेरा पुनर्जन्म हुआ था। मुझे जब मेरे अवतारिक उद्देश्य का आभास हुआ, मैं अपने शरीर और मन से पूरी तरह भिन्न हो गया। 1 जनवरी 2000 के बाद स्थिति से मैं इसी दीपावली के पावन अवसर पर मैं बाहर आया और मेरे मुंह से पहले शब्द निकले और ओकते तमिल भाषा में आनंदमाग इरुंगल, यानी आनंदमय भव। मैं अरुणाचला तीर्थ स्थल की तरफ जा रहा था। मेरी आंखों ने अरुणाचला को देखा। करीब 5 मिनट में काली माता की दिव्य प्रेम बारी शक्ति मुझ में समा गई। Actually, after that experience, straight I went into the forest of Arunachala and just sat in one place, rested for almost 3 days in that joy. And incidentally, exactly that property is now our Tiruvannamalai ashram. Exactly the same property. Actually, I did not know that property belongs to whom and nothing. Later on, exactly the same property was gifted to us by one of our devotee and pre-monastic relative. And that is where our Tiruvannamalai ashram is at present. So, with all my heart, with the space of Mahakali and Mahakala Bhairava, I bless you all and the whole world and everyone, everybody, Anandamaga irungal. Let bliss overflow in all of you. Be blissful. Blessings to the whole Sangha. Let all of us radiate the eternal bliss. Anandamaga irungal. Let everything be auspicious from now. Let everything be blissful. Let everyone be established in the space of completion, Purnatva. Let everyone radiate the joy and enlightenment. Let the energy of Mahakala and Mahakali be on all of us. Let us all live enemy-less life, enmity-less life. Let us all live and radiate eternal friendliness, eternal joy. Let Mahadeva establish all of us in the space of completion, Purnatva, and always powerful. All the temples and ashrams are celebrating today Kali Puja. In Bidadi, we will be installing the deity of Mahakali, Mata Kali Devi, and we will be having the Kali Puja in Bidadi from 8 p.m. The puja will start. Evening around 3 to 4 p.m. Prana Pratishtha will be done. But 8 p.m. the Kali Puja will start with Chandi Homa. I request all the devotees to tune into Nityananda TV to watch the Kali Puja and Chandi Homa live and celebrate. Receive the grace of the Mother Kali. In the eastern India, the Bengal, we celebrate Kali Puja on this day. In the central India, we celebrate Lakshmi Puja. They call it Dhanteras. And in southern part of India, today Ganesha and Krishna are worshipped because Krishna killed Narahasura today with the help of Rukmini. So each part of the country worships in a different way, but the whole India celebrates Diwali. I think Krishna killed Narakasura with the help of Satyabhama. Sorry for the mistake. With the help of Satyabhama, he killed. What can I do? If he has so many wives, how can I remember everyone's name? And in our Sampradaya, Nityananda Sampradaya, we will celebrate Diwali as per the Bengali tradition, doing Kali Puja. Of course, we will worship Ganesha and Lakshmi also. Mainly we will do Kali Puja today and celebrate Diwali as per the Bengali tradition. Blessings to all the temples, ashrams, branches. Ohio Prayag is celebrating the international festival. They are offering sweets to all the temples. My blessings to the Ohio's project. And Blessings for the Seattle. Seattle Chidambaram, I accepted all the Diwali gift baskets. My blessings to all of you and the Diwali gift baskets. You can go around and enrich the whole Seattle with the sweets. Please send little sweets to Bill Gates also on behalf of Nityananda Sangha. And I'm happy to tell you that this is the first Diwali US Congress has celebrated. See, from the Bush era, the White House was celebrating. This time, US Congress was celebrating. I received photographs of US Congress celebrating Diwali. My blessings to the whole United States of America. Let Mahakali bless America. And many of the lawmakers applied tilak over garlands and celebrated Diwali by lighting lamps when the priests are chanting Vedic mantras. It's beautiful to see the photographs. And blessings to the whole world. Today I wanted to give only blessings. Blessings is the satsang today. So, today I'll receive calls from people just to bless all of you. And today evening in Bidadi Ashram, we have celebrations with cultural programs and crackers. And these inner awakening participants are blessed. You guys are going to celebrate Diwali in Bidadi. With large quantity of sweets and large quantity of crackers. We have large quantity of fireworks and crackers brought by our Swamis and Brahmacharis. So, I request all the devotees to tune into Nityananda TV today by 7 p.m. in the evening. Lotus TV also, it will be live show. It will be live show. இன்று மாலை 7 மணி அளவில் லோட்டஸ் நியூஸ் தொலைக்காட்சி மூலமாகவும் நித்யானந்தா டிவி மூலமாகவும் நீங்கள் விடுதியில் நிகழும் தீபாவளி கலை நிகழ்ச்சிகளையும் வானவேடிக்கை நிகழ்ச்சிகளையும் நேரடியாக கண்டுகளிக்கலாம். I have blessings in some more languages. In Gujarati, आज दिवाड़ी ना शुभ प्रसंग ऊपर बताने मेरा आशीर्वाद से, मारा आशीर्वाद से. In French, pour location auspicious de Diwali જેવું બેની tus. In Spanish, los bendigo a todos ustedes en esta auspiciosa celebración de Diwali. In Malay, Padahari Deepavali yang suci ini saya merestu Anda semua. In Marathi, आज दीपावलीच्या शुभ दिवशी माझे तुम्ही सर्वांना आशीर्वाद. बंगाली, आज के पवित्र काली पूजो ते तुम्हें सबोय के आशीर्वाद दिलाम आनंदमय बाबा. Blessings to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Diwali. So today no Nirahara Samyama and no Disamyama. All of you can eat today as much as you want, whatever you want. Today is Ahara Samyama. Diwali, Ahara Samyama. This time second day itself is Ahara Samyama. So, eat whatever you want. Night take the Haritaki powder. From tomorrow morning we will have Nirahara Samyama again. So, Haritaki is God. He takes care of everything. Today, as per the tradition, we say, Jale Ganga Taile Lakshmi. All over the world, in all water, Ganga Devi enters. She expresses her presence. All over the world, in all Taila, oil, especially gingerly oil, Lakshmi expresses her presence. So, Jale Ganga Taile Lakshmi. So apply little oil on the head and pour water on the head, take head bath. You will have the blessings of Lakshmi and Ganga both. Jale Ganga, Taile Lakshmi. And I tell you, no religious tradition is so serious when they speak about philosophy and takes you to that heights, and no other religion celebrates so much. Hinduism has this uniqueness. When they speak philosophy, they really mean it. When they celebrate, they really mean it. And let us celebrate like Hindus. Let's eat like Bengalis, dress like Gujaratis, and celebrate like Hindus. Today the whole Inner Awakening program is a celebration of Diwali. Actually, if you guys were staying in the house, you would have celebrated only with few people. But now you are celebrating with the whole world family. Where the whole world is your family. And celebrating with the principle of Mata cha Parvati Devi, Pita Devo Maheshwaraha, Bandava Shivabattascha, Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam. Because Mata is Parvati, Pita is Shiva. All Shiva's devotees are relatives, and all the three worlds are our native. We'll move to the next segment. Blessings to everyone in the South Africa. I can see Johannesburg, South Africa. Joined now. Blessings to all of you. I can see you guys. Diwali blessings. South Africa guys, don't feel you are far away from the home. I am with you guys. You are in the home. You are with me. Gubeshni, everyone. Blessings. Gubeshni, soon I am sending Nityanandeshwara deity. We will have temple in South Africa. And blessings to Tagendran also, and blessings to all of you and the whole Johannesburg Sangha. Gubeshni, Doli, D, Kiashni, Tagendran, everyone. And all the devotees who are here in the Bididi can receive sweets, Diwali sweets from my hand. And everyone, Gurukul kids, everyone, if you stand for Sarvadarshan, IA participants, everyone, all of you can stand. I'll give you all Diwali sweets. You can all receive the Diwali sweets. Now, with this, I bless all the devotees all over the world, everyone. Let all of us radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Anandamaga irungal.
Live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.